Look at this plate of deliciousness. Hi family and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. So today we're going to be doing huckleberry, which is a vegetable commonly cooked in Cameroon known as Njama Njama. Let's get right into the recipe. Wash your vegetables under running water about 5 to 6 times and go ahead and put it in your pot and boil for about 15 minutes. Once your vegetable is ready, take it out and let it cool for about 15 minutes and squeeze out all the water. Drizzle some vegetable oil in a pot and add your onions and leeks and cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, go ahead and add your chopped tomatoes and continue cooking for another 10 minutes. Continue stirring your tomatoes so they don't get burnt, and go ahead and add 1 habanero pepper, half teaspoon salt, 2 seasoning cubes, and half cup ground crayfish. Once your other ingredients are combined, add your vegetables and cook for another 10 minutes. Do not overcook your vegetables. You can serve huckleberry with corn fufu, sweet potato, or even plantain. Huckleberry is very nutritious and rich in magnesium just like other green vegetables and good for proper heart functioning and the nervous system. Thank you so much family for being with me throughout this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and drop your comments below. Take care. I'll see you next week. God bless you. Bye.